Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Hope everyone is staying safe at home. Hope we're all healthy today. Hope we're eating healthy as well. If it's your first time here, if it's your first time seeing my face, just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian-based YouTuber. I'm actually based here in Abuja, Nigeria. So I film videos on lifestyle and hairstyling because I actually have a salon here in Abuja, Nigeria. So yeah, I just film the videos just to inspire hairstylists out there and as well inspire myself, because sometimes whenever I scroll down through my videos, I watch any of my videos, I actually get inspired as well. So I'm inspiring myself as well. So today's video is on this hairstyle that I stumbled upon on Facebook. So I saw a lot of ladies actually wearing the hair and I was like, is this the trending hairstyle now? So I decided to film the video, and as well I got a lot of requests on Instagram to film this video or to still film this hair tutorial. So that's why I decided to do that for you guys. It's a very simple hairstyle and it's really affordable. It's stress-free. It took me less than 2 to 3 hours to actually make this hairstyle, and it's very affordable. So yeah, I would like to see your comments on what you want to see up next on this channel. You can leave it in the comment section below, or you can send me a message, a DM on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be over here, and you can also send me a message on Facebook. I do have a Facebook page right now, so I'm going to leave like the handle over here. So and as well going to advise you to follow me on Facebook, because I'm also going to be uploading lots and lots of hairstyle tutorials over there. So go ahead to follow me there. It's a very simple handle or very simple name. It's Beauty Hair JJ. The beauty is actually separated from the hair JJ. The handle is over here, and Instagram handle is over here. So just go ahead to follow me. So yeah, I would advise you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share the video to friends and family, because you never can tell who you're actually helping or who needs to watch this video to be inspired, you know. So yeah, leave a comment. Like I said before, leave a comment on what you think about this video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay healthy, eat healthy, and watch the video. Let's dive into the main video. First, you'll be needing a mannequin head and a mannequin stand, and then the products. For this video, I'm actually using Multi and its Xpression product. You also be needing a wig cap, in which I actually used stocking cap. I didn't use the usual or the regular wig cap, so I'm using stocking cap. So I'm just showing you guys. I'm going to be using like 2 pieces of the stocking cap in one pack. You actually get like 2 pieces of the stocking cap, so I'm going to be using all the 2 pieces of the stocking cap. You also be needing T-pins to help hold the extension while you are installing it, and also you'll be needing needle and thread. Like I always tell you guys that I like using straight needles, so I'm very comfortable using straight needles. I don't really know how to use like the curved needles. So right now I'm showing you guys how many stocking cap I'll be using. So first, I'm just wearing the stocking cap onto the mannequin head just to fit it like so. So what I usually like to do is to stretch the stocking cap a little bit as I'm wearing it, because I have a big head. So if you are like me, you have big head, you can stretch the cap so that after you finish installing the weaves, after you finish installing the extension or the product, it will actually, when you try to fit it in or your head, it will actually fit you. But if you have small head, you don't need to stretch the cap. You just wear the cap normally and use maybe like T-pins to help hold it around. So right now I'm actually securing both the stocking cap using, that's the 2 stocking caps. So I'm securing the 2 of them, joining the 2 of them together using needle and thread to do so. This is just so that the both of them will be like together before I start installing the weaves or the extension. So now we start installing the hair. I'm starting from the very back of the mannequin head. Okay, we'll first place the weave or the extension on the mannequin at the very back of the mannequin head, and then I use T-pins to hold it firm first before I start sewing it in. Using T-pins will actually make the sewing very easy, so it will just guide, like it will help guide the sewing pattern. So the very first weave at the back, what I like to do is to sew it twice. So I sew the first one in front and then go ahead to like turn my needle to sew it at the back. This is so that it will be able to cover up the band at the back of the mannequin, just for that band, the stockings band, not to be visible. So that's what I'm actually sewing. So while I'm sewing, I'm making sure that it's covering the band, that's the elastic band at the back. After that, we'll just use scissors to cut off the excess thread, but before then we'll first tie a knot just to, like, you know, secure the whole thread or the sewing pattern, so that it doesn't loosen before I use scissors to cut it off. So after securing the first extension at the back, that's the hair product, that's the multi, we'll start sewing in like normally. I will just start sewing in without cutting the product. So what I'll be doing is just to be doing like the turnover method. When I get to the end of a particular line, we'll flip it over and just turn it and sew. So that's what I'll be doing all through. So I'll just be sewing until I get to the front. So yeah, at this point I'm going to allow you guys to see for yourself and to get a better view and understanding while I'm sewing, so that you guys will understand how I'm actually sewing this extension. Before I forget, if you notice in the video while I'm sewing the extension or while I'm doing the turnover method, I'm actually making sure that the extension gets to the very end of the line before I flip it over, or the very end of the wig cap before I flip it over to the next line. This is so that all the bands won't be visible. So that's why I'm actually taking it very close to the band, very close to the end of the band, and then flip it over from there. And for this installation, I'm not doing the normal sew in or the normal way to sew in wig cap. Anyway, you guys just watch this video carefully so that you get to understand it yourself the way I'm sewing. So I'm not like, you know, tying knots, sewing and tying the knot at the same time. I'm just sewing straight. So that's why I said it's very easy to sew. So yeah, sewing this hair, like I said before, actually took me about 3 hours or less than 3 hours. It wasn't that difficult. It was just easy, very easy. I just sewed straight. It wasn't stressful at all. So we'll just continue sewing in like that until I get very close to the closing. Okay, now that we are very close to the closing, we'll just attach this closure net to the wig cap or to the stockings cap, also using needle and thread to do so. So first, I'm just using T-pins to just help hold or pin the closure net down, just so that it will make it very easy for me to sew in onto the cap. So yeah, after attaching the closure net onto the cap, this is what it should look like. So this is the result you should get. So So now that I'm done attaching the closure net, I'm just continue, like I'm still sewing in just the same method, doing the turnover method. When I get to a particular line, the end of a particular line, we'll flip it over and continue to sew. So if you notice, I'm sewing in a U shape so that at the end of the closing or at the end of it, or you cannot really tell where I actually ended the sewing. So that's why I'm actually sewing it this way. Yeah, you can actually sew this hair or the extension in any way you feel it to actually fit your face. You can do like center part, you can do side part, you can do any part you want to. You can even fade out the middle part of the extension. Anyway, you guys will get to see that at the end of the video, how I actually styled it to fit my face. So you will see that you can actually do the same method in the middle. You know, you can freestyle with this hair, just depend on how you want it to look like. Okay, we'll allow you guys to just continue watching, and I'm still doing the turnover method and still sewing on a U shape. So yeah, we'll allow you guys to continue watching till I'll get very, very, very close to the closing. For the closing, you just take the very last multi hair and then fold it or coil it. When you get to the end of a particular line, you just fold it back to the front or to the next line just to close it. And once that is done, just take a scissors and cut off the excess extension or the hair, and also use scissors to cut off the excess thread. But before you completely cut off the excess thread, you tie a knot first just to secure the whole sewing, then you use scissors to cut it off. So after the installation of the extension, to achieve baby hairs in front, you use scissors to cut or to open the folds in front of the hair or in front of the mannequin. Then after that, you just use your fingers to just pick the hairs. And if you do have like excess hairs coming out, you just use scissors to trim it off. So you can actually do this same thing in the middle of the hair. You just pick it up, and it will come out very fine. So you can freestyle with this hair. So yeah, that's how you continue bringing out the baby hairs all around, including the back and the sides, so that the wig will actually look natural. So you just pick out the baby hairs, you use scissors to cut the tips, that's the ends, and then you pick them out so that it will look natural as possible. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, from beginning to the end. Hope it's helpful and hope you're able to learn something from this video. Please, if you did, just go ahead to share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you are new here. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Just tell me what you want to see up next on this channel, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to also follow me on my Facebook page. The handle is on the screen, and I also do have, like I said before, I also do have a lot of videos on my Facebook page, so just go ahead to follow me there. Yeah, thank you once more, like I said before. Thank you, and stay blessed, stay healthy. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.